Hi, my name is Vela, and today we'll be exploring a web responsive application that goes by the name Vela. Vela is a weather application designed to benefit the surf enthusiasts while making their experience as smooth and intuitive as possible. So let's get started. All we have to do to initiate our journey is to click on the Get Started button. Next, we can choose to go through the onboarding or to skip the process and to go straight to the login screen. Since we are new users, I'll say let's just quickly see the three onboarding screens. Our app provides you with weather and sea conditions, radar, spots. The login button here brings us to the login screen where we could simply sign in with our email, password, or with Facebook. If we don't have an account, we can sign up here. And if we have forgotten our password, then we can simply click here. For now, let's just log in as a previous user. We are now on the home page, which is already filled with some basic weather conditions, like the current temperature, sunrise, sunset, precipitation, wind, waves. But we would like to see more than that, so let's just go to the hamburger menu. Here we can see the weather news, the spots, the weather and sea conditions, our account, about us section, or help section. What I would like to show you here is the spots section. Here we get recommendation of surf spots from Vela, or we can see the spots that we previously saved in our list. So let's check Nasare. Let's say we are interested to see what others think about this spot. So let's go to spot reviews. Here we can filter our reviews according to ranking, reviewer, date, or language. Let's pick the ranking. And we would like to see only the 4-star reviews, so let's check those. Now we are on the page with only 4-star reviews. But now let's go back to home, because I would like to show you here a very special feature, which is plan your trip. Here, you just have to fill in the fields with some information and to choose some options, and our app will filter the right spots for you. So let's say you would like to go in Australia between these dates. You are a surfer and your proficiency level is advanced. We are ready, so let's get our spots. This is the page with the filtered spots for our needs. And let's check Bell Speech. Here, if we would like to see an overview of Bell Speech, we would go to Spot Description. And we would get this beautiful page with spot details like wave quality rating, type of wave, with a general description, with a map, a chart, and some pictures. The last feature I would like to show you is the radar. Here we can click on the drop-down button and we can customize our radar to show us only the information that we need. For instance, maybe we would like to see the weather and sea conditions in the proximity of Nasare. So we would choose Nasare and the weather and sea conditions that we are interested in, let's say temperature and wind direction. And then we get this page, only with the information that we required. All we have to do now is to enjoy the info, and if we think about something else we'd like to search, we can easily return to the home screen and start a new search. This was Vela, our weather app. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.